A little bit different.
I didn't. Right here, a little bead on each side. And that's silicone caulk, right? Just regular caulk.
Yeah, that's it.
And don't forget to cut up here, 1/4 inch off, both sides. And make sure this is smooth. And remove any glue that might be under that caulking before you caulk it.
Like I said, I
Up
would go on
and
everything,
down here too.
but it's just the steps you
Let's
should do on every
only
window.
place to caulk those. Just making
You can
sure
use a
that
hammer, but the
seals.
hammer gets all crazy, so I just use the
Yeah,
back of the screwdriver
right.
and rub it, make sure it's all the way in. You can tell. I mean, I put a lot of pressure on it. You can tell by this right here, it's up.
And this is just extra, right? I mean, this you
This
don't.
is just something I do, right? Just,
And you call them security screws,
I just called it that.
Okay.
It
just
what
to hold
does-
it in place.
Yeah, in case this actually pulls out, and then the caulking sets up, it'll stay out.
Okay.
This holds it in place, so it doesn't move. I don't have enough screws, but usually I put 3 in. So on this side, we'll put the 3. Whoop, almost.
Well, maybe.
Almost. But all it does is just holds that in place. Not doing anything but that. Make sure it's in, try to push it, go down. And we'll turn it. These balancers are a little bit stronger in pull because of the tempered sash that you got.
Oh, you
Just
mean
try-
they're actually different?
No, just the poundage is a little bit stronger.
Okay.
Because if it was a different size sash, determines the weight of the poundage of the pull of the band.
So they do adjust that because of the
Yeah,
window.
there'll be a heavier. I like this stuff better. I like the smell of it.
Yeah, so just double check, make sure that weather
Yeah,
strip
so make
is
sure-
seated properly.
If it isn't, just gotta fix it. And see how that came up out of there? There's a tab right inside here where my tip of my screwdriver is. You push it in. Can you see it in there?
Yeah, it's a tab, yeah.
Yeah. You can just,
Okay,
and that pushes in and you lift up while you're doing it. Then the same thing this side, you just push in. See it lifted out of there? And then you just,
You just wiggle it out.
yeah, it'll come right out. Okay. That lined up in that groove. I can't see it over there. Am I in that groove?
I think so. Yeah.
I missed it over here. Ah. No, can't do it like that. I gotta take it all the way out. But I'm putting my thumb actually right into here
Yeah.
and pushing it hard. But I'm stronger. It's just tough to take wash these upper sashes.
Okay.
And you clean it and you just
And you could take them out too, the same way?
same exact way
Okay,
I would.
all right.
But I don't know why it's being so tight. You know, on that. Pull it all the way up to this here first. Right. It's just a tight window right there. Might just have to clean a little bit of stuff off here, a little bit of silicone on here. First thing to do is unlock the window. Come over here with the tilt wash assist and bring them down. And just probably just lift up probably about 4 or 5 inches. And just, you can lock them with your thumb. However you want to get these in, just lock them in.
So you bring them down, yes.
Yeah, as
those
soon as you lock
clips.
them in, just like that.
Yes.
Now you just pull forward. And that's it.
Oh, that did come out easy.
Now, here's what you want to do. Just tilt it down like this. All the way to the seal.
Right.
Stop it. First thing you do is raise these up. Get them out of the way. That's your tilt wash. Now they're out of the way. Then you bring this one down to about right here so it doesn't clash. And here's where you can either pull this way and push this way or however you need to do it. But keep your hands away from here where it tilts
Right.
forward. And then just kind of walk that. Like that.
Yeah.
But see how tight it is too?
Yeah, no, it is tight and, but you know what, you had that one out, didn't you?
Yeah, but
It fell back in.
there it is right there. But that's the cumbersome thing about
Yeah.
it. It's going to be hard to tilt wash them. That's the only thing I don't like about pushing here. See it popping out?
Right, right.
And just walk it out. There it is. But it's brand new. Leave it sit for a while.
Yeah.
And it, like I said, you just lift it up probably about maybe 5 inches or so, something like that. And then here's your tilt wash assist. You bring them down, and if you have to, you can do one side at a time. And just, you know, I'm a little bit stronger, but you just, once they snap in there, next thing you do, pull. Okay, hold it right here. Get these out of the way. Let's get them out of the way. So you'll put them back in. And all you're going to do is you're going to lay this right down here nice and easy. That's it. You can wash your window. Now this one here is the more cumbersome part. And I want to keep it away from this sash a little bit. Now I'm going to have to, what I want to do is try to grab this and pull a little bit that way while I push my hand above here, that way. A little bit harder. I can't get that one, hold on. It's so brand new, it's like stuck in there. Not going too well for the video. Can't get it. Wow. It's really tight for some reason.
Well, maybe we learned that.
There it is, right
Okay.
there.
Since
I had to get my, it's brand new, and this phone back here. What I had to do is get my thumb and push right into there.
okay.
Like I said, it's cumbersome to do these.
Okay.
And I don't have a lot of spray on them, but
Right.
then you just, oh, here, I can wipe that window again like that.
Right.
We'll do another one again. And then we spray this up. I'm trying to compress this GM liner. And all I'm doing is push it in here. Use my thumb on there. But as I'm pulling,
you got it
I'm trying
that
to
way.
pull that way a little bit.
Yes.
Now I got that out of that groove. Now I got to come over here and just pull. See how it's got a little bit easier the second time
Yes.
around, third time around?
Yes.
It's starting to get easier.